Guys, look at that. You see that man up there? He's cleaning off snow off of the rooftop. Up there is flat, you know, guys, so it packed with snow. So I think the snow is probably soaking down water. Yeah, so he's cleaning. He can't clean off all of that for today because, guys, the snow is coming down heavier. For sure, it is coming down heavier. It wasn't this heavy before. And it's heavier right now. It's heavier. It's coming down heavier, guys. The rooftop them full of snow. This is what you call a blizzard. This is a big snowstorm, guys. It's a big one. It's a big one. And I can hear the ambulance them, guys. You know. Can hear them outside transporting patient. It's a lot. Look at my window, guys. The window did cover this morning. Yeah. The glass them did covered. So guys, I'm here folding up these clothes I washed yesterday. Last night. I washed last night. Stripped my bed and washed last night. So now I'm folding up clothes, guys. This is my 3-seater settee in the full. Over here did full also, but